Ever wondered why your beautiful garden plants suddenly wilt and die? Could common garden diseases be the culprit? The health of your green oasis can be compromised by these silent killers. But worry not. Today, we'll reveal the top 7 organic methods to prevent diseases in your garden. First, practice crop rotation. This simple method disrupts the life cycle of pests and diseases. It involves changing the type of plants in each area of your garden each season to break disease cycles. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and your garden life too. Secondly, use disease-resistant plant varieties. They are bred for their ability to resist diseases. These specially cultivated plants have a natural defense against certain pests and infections, reducing the need for chemical intervention. So, invest in disease-resistant varieties to ensure a healthful garden. Third, maintain regular garden cleanups. A clean garden is a healthy garden. Removing fallen leaves and rotten fruits promptly prevents the spread of harmful pathogens. Regular weeding keeps pests at bay. Keep your garden clean, and your plants will thank you. Finally, let's move to our last 4 methods. Maintaining healthy soil, proper watering, balanced fertilization, and the use of organic pesticides. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Enrich your soil with organic matter to boost its nutrient content and improve its structure. Moving on, watering your plants adequately is essential. Too much or too little water can stress plants, making them more susceptible to diseases. Next up, balanced fertilization. Too much fertilizer can spur excessive growth and attract pests, while too little can weaken plants. Lastly, opt for organic pesticides. These are derived from natural sources and are less harmful to the environment. By following these methods, you can create a strong defense against common garden diseases. Keeping your garden disease-free is not as daunting as it seems, right? Remember, crop rotation, disease-resistant varieties, regular cleanups, healthy soil, proper watering, balanced fertilization, and organic pesticides are your best allies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.